Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to book a Cebu Pacific seat sale promo step by step. Okay, now, first take note that seat sale promos on Cebu Pacific are limited time and limited seats only. So you need to book fast. These promos can sell out in minutes, especially for popular destinations. So before the promo starts, make sure that you already have a Cebu Pacific account. Okay, so you just have to create your account, the passenger details, the full name, the birth date, and your payment method ready. So GCash, card, or online banking. This saves time because speed is everything during seat sales. And then you just have to go to the official Cebu Pacific website or application, this one, and then you just have to wait for the promo to start. So sometimes sales go live at midnight or early morning, so be ready before it opens. And then you just have to search your flights fast, enter your origin, okay, and your destination and the travel dates. So just have to collect the search flights after that, and then you gotta choose the cheapest available fare. So this is the seat sale price, and book immediately. So if you found your date, select your flight quickly and proceed to passenger details. So double check names carefully, no typos, then click continue, and then you just have to choose your payment method and complete it immediately. So if the payment takes too long, your seat may expire and be given to someone else. So once done, you'll receive a booking confirmation email and your reference number. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.